When the world sleeps, successful people rise. While others hit snooze, they hit success. They start their day before the sun rises, while everything is quiet and still. Waking up early gives them a head start on the rest of the world. Tim Cook wakes at 3:45 am, Oprah by 600 am, and The Rock hits the gym before sunrise. Early mornings are free from distractions, offering pure focus. In those hours, clarity and creativity flow. They guard their mornings like treasure. The first hour is sacred. No phones, no scrolling, no chaos. They don't let social media hijack their peace. Instead, they choose to lead their minds before others steal their attention. They start with silence, stillness, or spiritual reflection. Some meditate, others pray, many practice gratitude. They align their emotions before facing the world. Steve Jobs asked, "If today were my last, would I want to do this?" That question sparked intentional living. Gratitude shifts their mood. It reminds them of progress, not problems. 5 minutes of stillness rewires the brain for calm and clarity. Then comes movement, because the body fuels the mind. Barack Obama, Richard Branson, even Mark Wahlberg. Morning workouts are their secret weapon. Exercise ignites energy, confidence, and motivation. You don't need a gym. Just 10 minutes of movement makes a difference. Cold showers, stretches, walks, all build mental strength. Then they fuel themselves right. No sugar crashes or processed junk. Water, fruits, proteins. High performers eat for energy, not emotion. Food is not just fuel, it's focus. They hydrate deeply, often starting with lemon water or green juice. They know coffee is optional, but discipline is not. After movement and fuel, they plan their day with intention. They don't drown in to-do lists. They identify their top 3 priorities. What must be done today for this day to be called a success? That's their focus. They don't let urgency override importance. They block distractions, even for 1 hour. Deep work in the morning equals productivity all day. Brian Tracy calls it eating the frog, doing the hardest task first. Morning energy is gold. They don't waste it. Before others even log in, they've already won. And they keep learning. Books, podcasts, audiobooks. Growth happens before emails. Bill Gates reads daily. Warren Buffett reads for hours. Learning fuels earning. A new idea, a new strategy, a new mindset, all before breakfast. They are students of success. They journal thoughts, track goals, or visualize outcomes. They don't just work, they reflect. Some take walks in nature, others write in silence. Stillness is a superpower in a noisy world. Prayer, breathwork, journaling. It calms the chaos inside. This morning ritual isn't random, it's a system. They've built a life they don't need a vacation from. They know how you start your day is how you live your life. Discipline beats motivation every time. They repeat small habits daily without fail. 1 hour each morning compounds into greatness. No excuses, just execution. Their calendars are color-coded for clarity. Their routines are built, not borrowed. Success doesn't come from chance, it comes from consistency. Whether it's 5 minutes of silence, 10 minutes of reading, or 15 minutes of sweat, every step is deliberate. They don't wait to feel ready. They get ready by doing. No mood swings, just mission. They protect their mornings because their dreams depend on it. They own the clock instead of being owned by it. They rise when the world sleeps because they know what they're chasing. A new life starts with a new morning. Success isn't about luck, it's about preparation. And preparation starts before the sun rises. They don't rush, they rise. They don't react, they respond. They don't stumble into success, they schedule it. Their morning is their launch pad. They know that when the morning is won, the day is already conquered. You don't have to copy their exact routine. You just need to build your own. Start small. Wake 30 minutes earlier. Move. Breathe. Learn. Plan. Think. Win. Repeat. Because the truth is, success doesn't start when you reach the office. It starts the moment you open your eyes. If you can win your morning, you can win your life. This is your time. This is your day. The world is still sleeping, but your future is wide awake. Get up. Start now. Rise and conquer.